Hey. Ooh.
To the abyss unknown, left me bleeding heartless, I'm alone. No control. Don't you dare apologize. Turn my back and
Oh, this is gonna be fun. This has really good like KDA vibes.
you're out of time, way out of line. It's taking over like a renegade. Eye for an eye, I'll make you cry. Tearing it down to just what I want now.
Oh, I got you. Dude, right there, Tim Shima, welcome in. Dacia, welcome in. How are you?
Don't back it up, don't back it up, keep that aim. I got thoughts that will drive you insane. Move it if you like, we'll have a lot of fun, but I got a lot of bite. I'll do what I want, make sure you don't forget it. An army on my back, say I'm sick, I'm just sadistic.
Yeah, KFP's kind of nuts with how supportive they are.
It's taking over like a renegade.
Oh, snap! I think they're working, dude! Thank you, Dragon Love, for the 69 biddies. Oh, I think I did it. Thank you, Gear Up. Let's see if there's a delay, you know? Thank you very, very much.
I want it all, so give me some more.
NYPD with an 80, thank you very much as well. Danish with a 600 bits test. It's working. It's a little bit of a delay, but I think we're just kind of stuck with that, honestly. The song is very good, by the way. Sorry that we're like fixing issues while I'm playing. Thank you, Yuichi. Appreciate that. Yeah, Europe, I think that delay is on Twitch's end. Goomy Worms with 100 bits, thank you as well. Pipe noises. Ooh, I actually got the ending? Hello? Let's freaking go, dude. Thank you very much for the song suggestion. That came out 1 hour ago. I think that is a world first drum cover? Question mark? I think I have the wee. I should change that little the flavor text from he spin to wee.